So we have 4 kids, and this will be our date night, a date night in. We're gonna make some pottery.
Wait to get started.
ARTIFY sent us this really neat kit where we can make our own pottery, and my husband and I thought, why not use this as a date night opportunity? Yes, the kids are still here in their bedrooms, but we hardly ever get to go on dates anymore. This is their pottery kit. It comes with 2 of the really big bags of ready-to-use clay. It's wet clay. Comes with these sanding sponges, this little bowl for water. You've got your designing kit tools here. You've got all these little shaping tools, rolling tools, and then you have all the paint with the paintbrushes if you want to paint it afterwards. Comes with 3 different types of paint. You've got acrylic white, you've got basic white, and you've got a matte varnish. Comes with this little tool here where you can like evenly cut your clay, and this little shaping tool here, and a little mat. It teaches you how to make different things like, you know, your own vase or like your own little heart-shaped tin holder. And then this one is create your own elegant chalice. Do you want to make a chalice, darling? I think what I want to do, I want to make a vase. So I'm going to pull that one out. Lots of different ideas, but you totally can make this your own and do whatever you want. The best thing about this kit is that you do not have to use a kiln to dry it. It can air dry itself. You can use a kiln if you prefer, but you don't have to. Oh, it also comes with these little lettering stamps I forgot about. These little plastic lettering steps if you want to put some kind of words on your pottery. Okay, I have never in my life made pottery before, so let's dive in. Just don't know how to do this next part. You can't with your glass. You can't with your bottle. And yes, I'm cheating. I don't know the first thing about pottery. I just know I like it. Well, that definitely made for an interesting date night, and we had fun doing it. So it is a really great product if you are interested in having a date night, if you want to do a craft project with your kids, or if you want to just send this to somebody as a gift who likes to do a lot of artwork. Now we're going to put these in a cool, dry place, and we're going to give them a couple of days to air dry, and then after that, we're going to paint them and seal them. Here's what my husband decided to make. If you're interested in this air dry clay pottery kit, I'm going to put the link for it down in the description below.